Have you ever heard of worms that feast on bones? Without a mouth, deep in the ocean, scientists discovered zombie worms, creepy creatures that live off the bones of dead whales. But here's the twist: they have no mouth, no stomach, and yet they survive. They release acid to dissolve bones and let bacteria do the dirty work, turning bone into food. And some females grow males inside their bodies, like a living harem. Just when you thought the ocean couldn't get weirder. For more information, subscribe to the Screen of Hidden Virtuals.